The 2017-2020 Lincoln MKZ uses a standard keyless entry system. The key fob is a small plastic device, usually 2.5 to 3 inches long, with a few buttons for lock, unlock, and other functions. You'll need a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This common type is widely available at auto parts stores or online for about $2 to $5. No specific tools are required for replacement. To replace the battery, first locate the seam on the side of the fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to gently separate the two halves. Remove the old battery, noting which side is up, usually the positive side. Insert the new CR232 battery, making sure it's correctly seated. Reassemble the fob by snapping the two halves back together. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle. If it doesn't work, try reprogramming it via the vehicle's settings menu by pressing and holding the lock-unlock buttons for 10 seconds.